SafeKnot helps you stay connected with your child anytime, wherever they are. You'll use two phones, one for the parent app and one for the child app, working together. First, download the SafeKnot parent app from the Google Play Store on your phone. Open the app and create your parent account using your email and password. Next, download the SafeKnot child app on your child's phone. Open the child app and follow the setup steps, granting the necessary permissions. Don't forget this step, as the permissions are required for the app to function properly. To link both phones, open the parent app and select Connect Child Device. A pairing code or QR code will appear on the parent's phone. On the child's phone, scan the code to securely connect the two devices. Once linked, the apps sync instantly and confirm a successful connection. SafeKnot. Simple setup, powerful protection for your family.